We will begin our promotional exam tomorrow, as all of you are aware. It would be wise for those of you who still owe the school money to make your payments before then. Or else, you will not be permitted to take the promotional exam, which essentially means you will have to retake your current class. Furthermore, the proprietor has given you all the order to return home if you are still in debt. Please, you should not be seen within the school premises, lest you're penalized. Thank you.
How am I going to get money to pay for my tuition and other miscellaneous fees? How will my mates be writing promotional examinations tomorrow and I won't be able to participate because I'm owing the school? How am I going to face my colleagues? Will I have to retake this class while my mates will be ahead of me? Why is my life so difficult like this? Even though I'm the most intelligent student in the school, what's the use if I can't participate in the promotional exam due to financial constraint?
What could be wrong with this kid? Hey boy.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you out here alone, when you are supposed to be in your school?
I was sent out of the school because I am yet to pay for my tuition fee, and we are starting our promotional exam tomorrow.
Oh, is that so? Why not go home to your parents? What?
It's complicated, sir.
Well, I can't be of help at this moment. I have my own problems to deal with. And the last thing I want to hear is another problem. Take care of yourself, kid.
I pray I meet Mr. Kelvin at home. I can't afford to come to this area again. It's kind of tiring and stressful. Why is this kid crying by this time of the day when he is supposed to be in the school? Let me check. Hello kid, why are you out here crying? Are you okay?
Good morning, Ma. I don't even know if I'm okay.
I saw you crying from afar. I was concerned, so I had to come over. You are supposed to be inside the school by this time of the day. Why then are you out here crying?
We are starting our promotional examination tomorrow, but I'm sent home because I'm owing the school. And without paying up, I won't be allowed to participate in the exam.
Really?
Yes, Ma.
So why not go home to your parents instead of sitting here alone crying?
It's complicated, Ma. I can't, even if I wanted to.
Complicated? How so?
The truth is, my mum and dad are not together anymore, and it's my mum that is taking care of me. But sadly, she recently lost her job. So, she has nothing doing at the moment.
Huh. That's very unfortunate. How about your dad? Can't you talk to him about it?
My dad, I don't even know him. I've never heard from him since he left us. More so, I don't know where he lives, and whether or not he is still alive. He has never reached out to me or my mom ever since he left.
So sorry you have to go through this at this young age. No child should go through what you went through. Anyways, how much are you owing the school?
Plus my tuition fee and other miscellaneous fees, everything is 12,500 naira.
Okay. Thankfully, I hold enough cash with me. So, I'm going to give you 13,000 naira. You go back to your school, pay the 12,500 naira you're owing them, and keep the remaining 500 naira for yourself.
Are you for real, Ma?
Yes, I am.
Jeez, Ma, you don't even know me. Why are you trying to help me?
You sounded hilarious. Anyway, I don't have to know you in order to help you. Every opportunity we get, we should always never hesitate to make ourselves available as instruments for God to use to show kindness to others.
I'm just short of words right now. I don't know how to begin to thank you, Ma. May God continue to bless your pocket. May you never lack anything good in your life. And may helpers from above continue to locate you, Ma. I'm really grateful, Ma.
Come on, it's nothing. I'm just happy that I could be of help to you in one way or the other.
You surprised me, Ma. I thought I will never get to write this promotional exam tomorrow. I'm really grateful, Ma.
You're welcome, kid. I wish you success in your promotional exam. Take care of yourself.
Amen. Thank you very much, Ma. But, how can I repay this kindness to you?
Well, You don't have to. But if you really want to, then the least you can do is to be freely generous with kindness whenever you find yourself in a position to do so.
I will surely keep that in mind, Ma. Yeah, I'm so happy right now. I can now finally write my promotional examination. I will make sure to study really hard so this money doesn't go to waste.
It gives us great pleasure to present this award, the Best Graduating Junior Student, Unity High School, from the just concluded promotional examination, to Johnson David. Furthermore, a complimentary scholarship to attend the next 3 years of your senior class at no cost is included with this honor, straight from the school's proprietor. All costs have been covered in full. Kindly come forward, Johnson David, to receive this award.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm honored.
We are very proud to have a student like you, David.
I can't wait to get home to present this award to my mom. She won't believe her eyes. Indeed, may God grant continued blessings to the angel sent by God to assist me with my school debts. I would have given up and dropped out by now if it weren't for her. Oh, how I wanted to see her again, tell her about this fantastic news. If her assistance proved to be invaluable, she would be overjoyed to hear it.
In a world that can sometimes feel cold and disconnected, it's amazing how a single act of kindness can have such a big impact, bringing love and optimism with it wherever it goes. Kindness is an innate quality that every single person possesses, as you can see. It has the ability to uplift spirits, touch hearts, heal wounds, mend broken hearts, unite people, transform lives, and make the world a better place. And the best part? It doesn't cost a thing. More so, kindness doesn't have to be grand gestures. A simple act of kindness can make all the difference. It can be as simple as leaving a sweet note for someone, giving a genuine compliment, holding the door open for a stranger, helping someone carry their groceries, or simply listening to a friend in need. These small acts may seem insignificant, but they have the power to brighten someone's day, give them a sense of being seen, heard, and valued, and likewise restore their faith in humanity. But then, kindness doesn't stop there. It inspires you to pass it on. And here's the best part, kindness is contagious. When we witness acts of kindness, it inspires us to be kinder ourselves. It creates a domino effect of positivity that can transform communities and even the world. Moreover, kindness has the power to unite individuals and tear down boundaries. It does not discriminate on the basis of socioeconomic class, gender, or race. It reminds us of our shared humanity, and establishes a stronger connection between us. Kindness should thus be our top priority. Let us select compassion over apathy, and empathy over condemnation. Let's embody the transformation we wish to witness in the world. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness can have a profound impact on someone's life. It costs nothing, but can mean everything to someone who needs it. In essence, in a world that sometimes feels divided and harsh, let's be the ones who spread kindness, love, and understanding. Together, we can create a brighter and more compassionate world. Until next time, stay kind, stay positive, and remember the power of kindness.